If you want to use Lucidchart in Google Sheets on your PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the full step-by-step process to install the add-on, connect your account, and insert your diagrams directly into your spreadsheet. This is a huge time saver if you use flowcharts, org charts, process maps, or any visual document that needs to live alongside your data. And as always, if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides just like this one. Alright, let's get started. First, open Google Sheets in your browser on your computer. Make sure you're signed into the Google account that you want to use with Lucidchart. Once your spreadsheet is open, look at the top menu bar and click Extensions. From the drop-down, hover over Add-ons, then click Get Add-ons. This will open the Google Workspace Marketplace, where you can find official integrations for Sheets. Now in the search bar, type Lucid. You should see Lucid for Workspace appear in the results. This is the official add-on that connects Lucidchart with Google Sheets. Click on it to open the app listing, then click Install. Google will ask for permission to connect the add-on to your account. Read the prompts carefully, then allow all the permissions it asks for so the integration can work properly. These permissions are needed so Lucidchart can access your documents and insert diagrams into your spreadsheet. Once the installation is complete, refresh your browser page. This step is important because it helps the add-on load correctly inside Google Sheets. After refreshing, look to the right-hand side of your screen. You should see a blue Lucidchart icon in the side panel. Click that icon to open the Lucidchart add-on panel. Next, click Login and sign in with your Lucid credentials. If this is your first time connecting the accounts, you may see a Grant Access prompt. Click Grant Access to link your Lucid workspace with your Google profile. This connection is what allows you to browse and bring your Lucid documents into Sheets without downloading and re-uploading files manually. Now that you're connected, you can start inserting diagrams. Make sure the Lucidchart side panel is still open on the right side. Then click Browse Documents. You'll see your available Lucid documents, including personal files and any team-shared diagrams you have access to. Find the diagram or flowchart you want to use and select it. If the document has multiple pages or frames, choose the specific page you want to import. This is useful if your Lucidchart file has several sections and you only need one part inside your spreadsheet. After selecting the right page, click Select. Lucidchart will then place the diagram directly into your Google Sheet as an image. Once the diagram appears, you can resize it, move it, and align it just like any other inserted image. That makes it easy to position your chart next to your data, beneath your instructions, or anywhere else it helps your workflow. If you need a clean presentation layout, you can also adjust row heights and column widths so the diagram fits better on the sheet. And that's really all there is to it. You've now learned how to use Lucidchart in Google Sheets on PC, from installing the add-on to logging in and inserting your diagrams. It's a simple process once you know where to click, and it can make your spreadsheets much more visual and much easier to understand. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.